Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to avoid tolls in Uber. Does Uber let you avoid toll roads? Uber's app doesn't offer a built-in avoid tolls toggle. Instead, the toll behavior depends on the default navigation app you choose, such as Google Maps or Waze. Uber's native navigation may still suggest toll roads if they're faster or preferred in your market, even if you rather avoid them. So here are a couple of ways to choose a toll-free navigation ride on Uber. Now, the most straightforward way is to simply communicate your preference to the driver before or during the ride. So while the Uber app doesn't have a specific setting to avoid tolls, you can use a third-party navigation app like Google Maps, which allows you to set preferences to avoid tolls. And you can also use Share ETA feature in Google Maps to share your trip with the driver. If you know a route or route that avoids tolls, you can add a stop along that route to guide the driver. Here are also a couple of considerations. To avoid toll roads, go ahead and set it in Waze. So set up your Waze, download the app, open Waze, tap the magnifying glass, type settings, tap on settings rather, and tap on navigation and tap on avoid toll roads or just enable it. If you have a checkbox there, just go ahead and enable it. So once configured, set this app as your default within Uber for navigation guidance. Likewise, you can go to Uber driver app settings and on the navigation preferences, select Google Maps or Waze. That's how to set navigation preference in Uber as a driver. Then confirm Uber will send navigation through your chosen app. This ensures that the route preferences from those apps, like avoiding tolls, apply when navigating rides. Even with navigation set to avoid tolls, clarity is key. Once a ride is accepted and a route shows potential toll roads, inform the rider. Say something as polite as, "Hi, I see the app's default routes may include a toll. Would you prefer to take a toll-free alternative? It may take a few extra minutes." If the rider insists on toll routes for speed, proceed, but offer them transparency. Uber automatically adds any detected toll to the final fare, and the driver is reimbursed accordingly. But note, optional express lanes, HOV toll lanes, or routes via rental car toll passes may not be reimbursed. The driver must avoid these unless agreed upon ahead. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.